Want to know how to rank your videos on first page of Google? In this video, I'm going to show you the complete guide on just how you can do that. Hey guys, my name is Saurabh and a lot of people has been asking me as to how I rank my videos on YouTube. So I decided to make this video for all of you and I'm going to show you the complete steps, the complete strategy which I follow on all my channels to rank my videos. So sit back and relax because this is going to be an epic tutorial. So the key to ranking is to find the opportunity keywords in your niche and create videos around it. It should not be the case that you are putting videos thinking what you want to put on YouTube. No, you have to create videos around an opportunity keyword. And what is an opportunity keyword? Opportunity keyword is the keyword which has got high search volume, which means actually people are searching for that particular keyword on YouTube. And the second criteria is that it is not too competitive, which means that there are not many videos on YouTube for that particular keyword, or if there are videos, then they may not be recent videos for that particular keyword. So if you create a video with that particular opportunity keyword, I'm going to show you everything how to find that opportunity keyword and how you need to go further. But if you create the videos around that opportunity keyword, surely going to get the ranking. So the first step is to find your topic keyword. That's the main thing. You need to find a keyword for your niche. So if you're into entrepreneurship and make money online, then the main keyword for you could be make money online. If you're a cooking related channel, your keyword could be steak. And if you're running a fitness channel, it could be bench press, yoga, whatnot. But if you see these particular keywords, they are very competitive. Let me show you by going into my browser. Let me show you make money online. So if you try to rank a video, then it's going to be very difficult. You can see I'm using a tool which is Keyword Everywhere, so I'm getting all these statistics. I'll put a link to Keyword Everywhere in the description down below. So if you see make money online, and there are 246,000 monthly searches, but it is going to be very difficult for any newbie to rank on that particular keyword, because you can see there are people with 400 subs, which has got 85,000 subs, and all those big people with big channels with lot more authority, they are able to rank on those keywords. So how you can rank? You can rank using long tail keywords. Yes, long tail keywords. What are long tail keywords? Rather than trying to rank for make money online, we can just try to rank for, if you just put a space in YouTube, you will see all these different keywords come up. Make money online without investment, make money online fast, make money online passive income, make money online 2022. And we can further go down, make money online 2022 without investment, make money online 2022 India, make money online 2022 for students. So you can see all these long tail keywords. I'm just putting the space after the keyword and I'm getting all these keywords. We can look for another example. We can look for iPhone 13. So if you want to rank for iPhone 13, that's going to be a big task, but let's go iPhone 13 Pro Max. And let's see what all long tail keywords are there. iPhone 13 Pro Max unboxing, maximum ringtone, max camera test. So you should aim to rank for these particular keywords, and if you create your video around these keywords, you will eventually rank for the main keyword as well, which can be iPhone 13 Pro Max in this case. And let's say we want to do this one, and let's go further inside it. So you can see there are more long tail keywords appearing, and you can just pick any of them and create your videos around that. It is easier to rank and claim, but make sure inside your long tail keyword that you have the competitive keyword as well, which means your main keyword for your niche was iPhone 13 Pro Max, but you're going for the long tail keywords, max camera test cinematic, but you need to make sure that you have the main keyword inside the long tail keyword. So why are we using these long tail keywords? Because people are actually searching for these keywords, and they actually have a volume. You can see there are some volume around these keywords. So rather than going for the main keyword, you can go for the long tail keywords. So now the third step is to find out the long tail keywords. So this is one of the method which I showed you, how to find the long tail keywords right from the YouTube search bar. And the other way you can find the long tail keywords by going into this tool which is called vidIQ. Again, I will put the link in the description for vidIQ. You can check it out. So let's say I want to find opportunity keyword iPhone 13 Pro Max. Okay, and let me show you some magic. So you can see with this vidIQ, it's giving me the option and giving me all the information that it's a very high search volume and it's a very high competition. So it's going to be very difficult for me to rank on this particular keyword, and I'm getting all these scores from vidIQ. And then on the right hand side you can see all these related keywords, and there are 353 keywords. So you can see it is going to give you the search volume as well as the competition. So what we're looking for high search volume and low competition. So that's our opportunity keyword. So let's try to find some here. iPhone 13 Pro Max, a month later, iPhone 13 Pro Max alpine green. Yeah, this looks good. So you can see it has got the medium search volume and low competition. So this particular score, it means if you are a small channel, then you can go for medium search volume and low competition. You should not try to create your videos around the keyword which has got high search volume and high competition. You won't be able to rank. And similarly we can find some more keywords here. Unboxing, yeah, unboxing alpine green iPhone 13 Pro Max. So again, some medium difficulty and the low competition. So if you try to create your video around that, you are going to get ranked. So now the next step is you have identified your opportunity keyword. Now what we have to do, so let's say we have identified this particular keyword. Let me go back into this, and now we will go back to YouTube and we will search for this particular keyword. So what you have to do, you need to watch the first 5 videos which are ranking for this keyword. You have to look at the dates. If they are very old, then you have got a better chance of ranking, because YouTube pushes and supports new content. So you can see this particular one is 1 month ago. This is how you can find. And then once you have find out the competition, what you have to do basically, then you have to create a better video than your competition. And by looking at the video, you can find out what kind of structure these guys are using, what kind of things they're teaching. The main thing is content. You have to create a good content to get it ranked on YouTube. And you can also put like a better thumbnail, better structure, and some new information you can put in, and then you have got a better chance of ranking your videos on YouTube. So guys, this is the entire strategy which I follow in my business and all my channels which I manage, and I hope you got some value out of this video. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know in the comments down below. And there is also a free YouTube masterclass, which the link for that will be in the description down below. You can check it out, and if you have any questions, again, I'm there to help you out. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you again in the next video. Cheers.